In today's video, I'll show you how combining Google, a platform that most of you use on a daily basis, with this website can help you earn thousands of dollars in passive income. Nothing about this has anything to do with selling or marketing. There are no social media platforms involved, such as YouTube or Facebook, and it will work in any country. This does not require the use of a camera. As a result, you can repeat it as many times as you want. You will not be required to take any photos of yourself. You won't require any additional social media followers, and I'll show you how to do it in less than 10 minutes. Using a program that is completely free. It's almost all taken care of for you. And this is the first time we've used this website. This website is bringing in hundreds of thousands of dollars per year from people all over the world, with some making nearly $500,000. Before we proceed, welcome to Cashflow Unlocked, where we teach you how to make money online and work from home opportunities. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. We release new ways to earn money online, so make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned. If you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm, and we will reach more and more people. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. With that said, let's get right into the video. So, if you're wondering how you'll be paid in PayPal money through the platform I'll show you soon enough. As a result, your first step should be to visit paypal.com, where you want to create your own PayPal account. By the way, as you can see, PayPal is used in a lot of different countries, which is why they stated that this will most likely work in yours. In any case, you need to go back up a few steps to create your PayPal account. And on the next page, you'll see the sign up button in the upper right corner, which you'll want to click. Just select personal account and click continue. You'll simply fill in your first and last names, email address, phone number, address, and other information from there. And once you've established your PayPal account, you'll be able to receive payments, so it's time to move on to the second platform. Of course, Google is the platform in question. As I previously stated, we will be paid today via a simple Google trick. So you're going to Google to look for cute cats, cute dogs, beautiful landscapes, nature, and so on. Simply put, you want to find images that are visually appealing. What's more, you'll want them in a variety of niches. So you want a collection of photos that aren't connected in any way? And when we get to the third platform, I'll show you why that is. In any case, as an example, I'll look for cute cats here. Now, before you download the photo, you'll want to select Tools from the drop-down menu. Then, over here, you'll see Usage Rights, which you should click, and then select Creative Commons licenses. As some of you may have guessed, this is the Google trick I mentioned earlier. There aren't many people who are aware of this. And what this accomplishes is that it grants you permission to freely use any of these photographs. You will be taken down for copyright infringement if you use the photos you downloaded previously. However, you can now use any of these in any way you want. From there, all you have to do is find a nice looking photo, try to pick the best one out of all of them, and then click on it, right-click, and select Save Image to save it to your computer. You'll want to look for something different from there. As an example, nature, and by the way, take a look at how stunning these photos are. Once you've found one you like, right-click it and select Save Image As. Repeat this process for all of the images in whatever niche you choose until you have around 10 or so in various niches. Finally, you'll want to head over to the platform that I've mentioned numerous times. Clickasnap.com is the platform that will actually pay us. And you'll notice right away that it pays to share, sign up, and get paid for your content when you come here. And your content will be those exact images you found for free on Google without having to take them yourself. This is how it works. When you upload an image to this website, it will be accompanied by a series of advertisements on the side. And the website splits ad revenue with the person who uploaded the photo, which is you in this case. And, as a side note, I'm assuming that the majority of those watching this don't have a camera. However, if you are even a mediocre photographer with a good camera, taking the photos yourself is a far better option. This will give your images more personality, and you'll be doing what you enjoy in the end. With that said, this platform has been around for a long time, and it wasn't particularly popular not long ago, but for whatever reason, it exploded in popularity, and it now receives millions of visits. Furthermore, I recall it paying much less money per image, viewed a while back. As you can see here, it will pay you 70 cents. This was once only 15 cents. Even though 70 cents may appear to be a small amount of money, consider this: if 100 people view your photo, you've already made $70 in passive income, and this site receives millions of visitors, so you're almost certain to get some decent views at the very least. So now is the best time to get on this website and take advantage of the fact that it has grown in popularity and is now paying more for photos. In any case, you can find more information about the payment on this page. The minimum winnings are $15. As you can see, this isn't the lowest, but it's also not the worst. If you enjoy this video, please like and share it with your friends, then subscribe using the red button below and leave a comment. If we get 1,000 comments on this video saying make money online, we'll release a new video next week that may be even cooler than this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, leave a comment below about how to make money online. Now, before we move on to the site, I'd like to show you some numbers that you can see on this platform called Similarweb.com that have been shown time and time again. And take a look at this. Click a Snap has received nearly 2 million visits in the last month. This was around 300,000 visits or so in December 2020, which wasn't all that long ago. As I previously stated, this site has grown tremendously, which means now is the ideal time to begin using it to earn money. Consider this for a moment: this site receives nearly 2 million monthly visits. Let's say, if 0.1% of all visitors view your photos for an entire month, that's still 1,900 views, which translates to $1,000 in passive income. All you have to do now is upload your pictures. That is the extent of your work. As you can see, even if we're being ridiculously conservative, this website can still net you thousands of dollars. And I can almost certainly guarantee that more than 0.1% of people will look at your photos, implying that you can earn far more than $10,000 per month. Anyway, let's return to the topic at hand. To get started earning money, simply click here to sign up for a free account. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is the quickest option. Alternatively, you can simply sign up via email by entering your email address, username, and password, agreeing to their terms and conditions, and clicking the Create an Account button just below. Now, there is a catch that I have to mention with the site once you sign up. If you want to get paid for people viewing your photos, it's not completely free. Take a look at this, though. To be compensated for views, you only need to invest £2 in the site for a month, which is just under $3, while you can literally make $1,000s of dollars during that time. I understand that this is a disappointment for many of you, but I can assure you that investing such a small amount of money in the site will be well worth it. Once you've done that, you can simply use Google to upload 10 images per day. And once you have a few dozen images, you'll be able to earn thousands of dollars in passive income from the site, because new people are discovering it every day, which means that some of your older photos will continue to receive views months after they were uploaded. That's all I've got for today. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you've made it this far, know that if you decide to take action, you'll start making money right away. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start doing what I showed you in this video. Thank you so much for your patience. I really appreciate it. Make sure to watch our previous video on our YouTube channel. We upload every time, and all you have to do is subscribe to this channel if you want more. If you like this video, tell your friend about it, and leave a comment down below. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which is displayed on the screen after this tutorial. Okay, until next time, and we'll see you in our next videos.